What if I told you that some birds are so beautiful, they look completely unreal? Number 5. Inca tern. Found along the coasts of Peru and Chile, this bird looks like it has a perfectly groomed white mustache. Number 4. Wilson's bird of paradise. Native to Indonesia, this bird performs one of the most spectacular mating dances in the animal kingdom. Number 3. Golden pheasant. Found in China, its brilliant golden crest makes it look like royalty. Number 2. Keel-billed toucan, native to Central America. It's famous for its massive rainbow-colored beak. Number 1. Lady Amherst's pheasant. Originally from China and Myanmar, its long black and white tail and metallic colors are absolutely breathtaking. Which one do you think is the most beautiful? Let me know in the comments.